Hello, Marsh Creek Narwhals, and welcome to the 2023-2024 course selection process as you begin to embark on your journey to become either a Downingtown Middle School Lancer or Lionville Middle School Lion.
You'll have questions during this process, and the people that you're going to ask your questions to are your current middle school counselors, Miss Busby, Miss Lyman, and Miss Mallon. Also on this screen are the counselors at both Downingtown Middle School and Lionville Middle School, so you know who to expect to meet in the fall. A very important tool that you're going to be referencing during this process is called the Program of Study. This screen shows you the steps that you need to take in order to access the Program of Study, which is located on the Downingtown website.
Now, there are 5 core classes you'll be taking as a 7th grader. Math, English literature, English writing, history, which covers the colonies through the new country, and science, which covers the topics of life science and physics. Math and your English literature and English writing classes are determined by teacher recommendations and a variety of other data points we use here at Downingtown to make smart educational decisions. Now, you also have 2 periods full of encore classes. Encore classes run 2 times on the 6-day cycle, which means each of those periods have 3 different encore classes, and you go to each one depending on the letter day. In 7th grade, we have 3 required encore classes. Those are physical education, health, and world language expeditions, where you would choose French, German, or Spanish. Then you have 3 more choices to make for your encores, and you get to choose those from the areas of art, tech ed, FCS, and music. If you go to that program of study, you can read the descriptions about every one of these classes to help you choose the encores you would like to take. Now, encores do fill up pretty fast here at Downingtown, and you have to pick some alternates as well, which you'll learn about when you get into Infinite Campus to schedule, in case some of the ones you chose weren't available.
We also offer support classes at the middle school, both Tier 1 and Tier 2. Those are the reading classes, math extensions, and academic expeditions. And then Tier 3, all the others that are listed below. Those are all teacher recommended courses, but could possibly show up on your schedule. Our schedule is rounded out by homeroom, lunch, and advisory. So every student has a homeroom period, and you will also attend one of the 3 lunch periods that we have. And at the end of the day, we have an advisory period where we hold a variety of activities. Sometimes it may be blocked out for extra work time, but everybody has those periods on their schedule. And then just to recap, this process is from Monday, January 23rd and closes Sunday, January 29th. We're just going to focus on the 7th grade for right now. So 7th grade, you'll select 4 encore classes, which includes a world language expeditions class. And remember, that's a French, a German, or a Spanish. And then you should also choose an encore class. You should choose your encore classes from at least 3 of those special areas. So we mentioned art classes. If you remember, the art listed 3 different classes. Pick one from art, pick a music. So just so you have a variety in your schedule. And then also mentioned, we recommended that you select an alternate because encores go very quickly. And if you don't get your first choice, you'll get your alternate.